Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Epson L3216 printer driver download and installations and how to connect. So first open any browsers, use any browsers, Google Chrome, Mozilla, any, and Google search box to type like that, and after that you can see this is first website epsonsco.in. This is official website, so you have to download. Just click on it. Okay, and scroll down and just click on the driver. After that extract, you can see the 64-bit printer driver and click to download. Again slow down, I agree, software the licenses, and then click to download. After that you can see it will start downloading. It will take some time and depend about your internet speed, so wait few seconds to complete. So then it is completed. Just single click to open. After that it will ask as administrator rights for installation, so just click to yes. Okay, then next set default the printer. Check this if you want to set default. If you want to update automatically, you just click to check. Then after that click to OK. Then select the languages if you want to change, otherwise click to OK. Then agree and OK. Now the printer is on and connect to your desktop and laptop to your printer via printer USB cable. After that it will detect automatically. Okay, and then next to install. After that restart your printer and laptop desktop also. Okay, then please check, and if you are getting some issues, so please comment. Well, will stop you. Thank you.